So, you've seen ads for VitalBP, a blood pressure support supplement that claims to help regulate your BP naturally. But is it actually legit or just another wellness gimmick? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Vital BP is marketed as a natural way to support healthy blood pressure levels. It includes ingredients like L-citrulline, hawthornberry, and CoQ10, popular choices in the supplement world. The official website looks clean and professional, but when we look deeper, we didn't find any verified Trustpilot reviews or ratings, which is a bit of a yellow flag. However, the product is listed on Amazon, and while it's pretty neat there, the early customer reviews seem mixed. Some users mention feeling better or noticing a difference, while others say they didn't see any effect. There's no mention of clinical trials or FDA evaluations either, which is common with supplements but still worth noting. For the final verdict, Vital BP doesn't seem like a full on scam, but it's not exactly a miracle product either. If you're considering it, don't skip on medical advice. It might help a bit for some, but it's no replacement for actual treatment or doctor guide. Have you tried Vital BP? Drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear it. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more no fluff health product reviews.